Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Virtutoy channel. This one's quite crazy. Okay, I've got these guys actually in my hands a couple of months already. I think 2 months roughly. Finally, I got a little bit of time to actually do a proper showcase of them. Because I really like this release from Error 404, the R33. Okay, as far as I know, I don't think in the market right now already uh, anyone else has done an R33. We know that initial model is going to come out with theirs. I'm definitely looking forward to theirs. Hot Wheels has already done, but Hot Wheels is Hot Wheels. They're not exactly premium, I would say that. So they're not high detailed. They are still anyhow, a 3+ year old toy. Hence, the only one that I know is doing that did premium R33 is Arrow 404. Okay, so they have already done the grey one. I've already taken the shortcut, so I've got it out already. I'll show you like that first. Okay, so on that side here, right, what we have here is actually the grey version. It's actually based on a car that is that resides in Malaysia. Okay, belongs to a Malaysian. Stays in the Klang Valley. Probably if you follow me for some time, you've seen me did a one-to-one comparison of the 64 together with the real car a couple, I think maybe even 1 year ago. That was quite a crazy day, seeing the actual thing right in front of me. So that was quite a crazy day. Again, shout out to Jasonteohkl for being being a sport, like allowing me to record a video of his real car the other day. Okay, so ever since then, right, after the grey release came the yellow and then the white. I got mine basically together. Okay, I taken a little bit of shortcut. I have a display model already out here. I've taken them out of the packaging. We'll take a look at the white first. Okay, these were limited to 599 pieces. Okay, I'm just gonna remove that figure because I didn't put a black tag for her. So I have a feeling she's not gonna be that stable. But look at that. Look at that. The grey has been, if you've seen it in my previous videos, I really like the grey. And even with the white and the yellow, it's pretty crazy. You know what? Shall we? Of course we shall. We shall remove it. I'm not a fan of that white color carpet though. I'm not really a fan of that. It does make it look very premium, very different from the rest, but I'm not exactly a huge fan of it. So anyway, let's just remove it from the base so that we can take a much closer look. Well, if you ask me, my personal preference, I think, of course, the grey is the one, because it's based on a real thing, so that would be an easy favorite. But out of all these three colors, I quite like the yellow actually. I think the yellow it really stands out. It really stands out. Okay, I didn't expect the screws to be that long. Hang on. So Error 404 gave really long screws, and as usual, they will have this thing stuck to it. Okay, so get it out. I'm just gonna put it aside and make sure I don't lose any of it. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. That is very nice. Even in white. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more. There we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's just beautiful. It's a solid white with the carbon fiber finishing on the hood. Okay, I really like how this is actually very close to Jason's show car. Okay, so the headlamps has turned into an intake. Damn, look at that. The wheels are different. This is actually, if I'm not mistaken, this is a BBS. I can't recall what was the real, what's the actual wheels on the 1-to-1 scale. I will link up the video. Okay, I will link up the video in the description box below, so you can check out the video after this. Oh, look at that. I really like how how R33 pulled this off. It's actually very, very nice. Look at that. Look at that. The GT wing. Oh, the fenders. The front and back fenders. The skirting. Okay. Look at the front again. Right back to the front. Okay, I'm gonna park him here. So yeah, that's pretty much. I'm not sure if I've shown you this before. This is actually a RB26 replica in 64 scale. This is done by Milas Equipment Malaysia. Okay, it did capture quite a few of the little details. Okay, especially the twin turbo. Look at that. All right. So this why I placed it together here, right? Because this is actually what sits in Jason's car. So that is one of the main reason why it sits together there. Okay, I'm just gonna park the white color one here for a little bit while we check out the yellow. Okay, oh, I love how the figure sits right in front like that. Nice. I'm gonna place the figure on the white car for a bit while I show you the yellow. Man, look at that. Look at the yellow. Damn it. Look at it. I love how the paint usually shines like this on resin models. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna take this out of the base as well. This is too good not to take it out for a proper shoot. Damn. Yeah, this one's got very long screws. So same as the white as the yellow. Hang on. Put it out. Is it out? Yes, it's up. Okay. This one, the base is slightly different for the yellow. The white, right, it's a little bit more carpet furry kind of feeling. This one less furry. It's still carpet, but yeah, doesn't have that much fur. So this one is 499. Yes, so they made more of the white compared to the yellow. Yellow is total 499 pieces. The white in total they make 599 pieces. Okay, right, so I really like the yellow so much more actually. Damn, look at that. Look at that thing. Go check out the front. Oh, look at that. Damn. Oh shit. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more so they can see all the little details on the thing. Shit. Damn. Yeah, I'm not saying anything because I'm just even enjoying it through the camera. Because what my eye can see and what it captures through the camera, it's the colors. Damn, even on screen it looks so damn freaking good. Look at that. Look at the side mirrors. Look at that little detail. Look at the back. Look at exhaust. Okay, the little skyline branding, the Nissan logo. This is so damn close to the real thing as well. You can see that in my other video. Do check it out, okay? Do check that video out. This is actually very, very close to the real thing. Of course, Jason left his doors, right? Actually, they are really carbon fiber door, so he left it in the carbon fiber. Yeah, he didn't do any he didn't paint it over, or he didn't do any wrap. So to show that, you know, it is real carbon fiber. So yeah, it only shows this time around. It only shows on the hood, and it didn't show the carbon fiber on the door. Okay, I don't mind that. It's just kind of like the different rendition what could it looked like, you know, what the car would look like in different colors. Damn. Oh shit. This is freaking crazy, man. Look at that. Okay, and I'm a little bit more crazy with figures nowadays. Okay, nice, very nice. Oh, look at that, man. This is gonna be a very nice wallpaper. Damn. Okay, all right. So that's something that I really want to share with you guys for the past couple of weeks. Finally, I'm able to share it with you guys. Hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any of my other diecast videos. Do follow us on I'm spending a lot more time at Collector's Cube. We're on Facebook. Okay, I do much more Facebook Live unboxing there right now. So, and hit the like button. Okay, and hit the like button. All right. So that's it from me for today. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.